Residency at Fellowship Training Program sa pangkalahatang pagamutan ng Lungsod, Quezon. Salubungin po natin sila at bigyan ng masigabong palakpakan.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag.
The knowledge and the skills that you have acquired being a Batang QC during your residency and fellowship will guide you to your lifelong journey in your careers. To all the graduating residents and fellows, never forget to look back to those who have helped you finish this journey.
Turing ang iyong sariling nagahawi ng ulap.
With all the investments you have made for yourself to the things that you can control and knowing that you cannot control everything, no? Understanding these basic concepts ng Stoicism, we hope that you can have a very fruitful life as a doctor and as a human being.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim.
Ngayong araw, sama-sama nating ipinagdiriwang ang bunga ng pagsisikap, sakripisyo at walang humpay na paglilingkod ng ating mga graduating resident at fellow physicians. Ang tema ng ating pagtitipon ay sinag, isang temang sumasalamin sa kanilang paglalakbay. Mga manggagamot na sa gitna ng hamon ng nagbuhay ay naging liwanag ng pag-asa, huwaran ng serbisyo at sagisag ng dedikasyon sa marangal na propesyon ng medisina.
Ikaw ang aawit ng kaya mo to, isang panalangin sa gitna ng gulo. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ito ang liwanag sa dilim. Oh, oh, oh. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag, liwanag sa
Most especially, ang gusto kong ipasalamatan ang mga magulang ng ating mga graduates na kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi po mapupunta dito ang inyong mga anak. So maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta na patuloy nilang matapos ang kanilang training sa kanilang specialty.
Now we leave this place not as the same people who walked in years ago in QCGH, but as wiser, braver, and more compassionate versions of ourselves. Today, we rise as physicians, as graduates, and as healers. Not perfect, but prepared. Not fearless, but brave enough. Not unscarred, but undeniably stronger. And as we move forward, let our theme guide us. Sinag, pagtatapos ng isang landas, pagsisimula ng panibagong bukas. This may be the end of one journey, but the beginning of a brighter one. A new morning shaped by all that we are becoming. Congratulations to our batch. We've made it. And today we shine onward. Maraming salamat po.
Wow.